Hey everybody, excuse me, bloopers. Happy New Year's Eve, guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my crazy big black family. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. It is Tuesday, December 31st, and it is New Year's Eve, guys. Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. And if you're new on this video, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my crazy big black family on YouTube. I want to take this time to wish everybody a upcoming safe holiday season and upcoming safe New Year celebration in lieu of the 2025 festivities. Our prayers of safety, happiness, and well wishes for all of you guys throughout the new year in 2025. Last year was a very hard year for us guys. I lost my mom in 2024. It was probably the worst thing and will be the worst thing that one would have to deal with in a year. So for everybody who lost a loved one, lost a parent, lost a family member, or anybody throughout the year, our hearts, condolences, and well wishes go out to all of you in the upcoming year. In the upcoming 2025 years, we ask that you guys all be safe, be well. We're sending the best of prayers, well wishes to everybody um, in this new 2025 upcoming year. I know there's a lot of unsettledness. A lot of people are worried about the future and things like that. But I just want to just say to all of you, have faith, hold on, and be strong throughout this new upcoming year. We will be able to make it through. We just have to hold on to our faith. We just have to believe and be strong and hold on to our convictions. I love all of you guys. We are all grateful and thankful to have all of you guys on my crazy big black family and to join us throughout this year. And hopefully you guys will jump on the bandwagon and join us for 2025. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please guys, come on over to this channel. Come over and chill with us and be on this channel for 2025. Well wishes to everybody. Best of health to everybody. Hopefully 2025 will be a better year for a lot of people. Um, don't think it can get worse. As you go off today and you celebrate your festivities, if you do go out, if you're one of those people who goes out and enjoys the New Year's Eve holiday celebrations and festivities, be well, be safe, be aware of your surroundings, and just go with positive well wishes and basically just blessings of a amazing upcoming year for all of you guys. I hope that you guys can get through this day. I hope you guys are well, and I hope that anybody who is sick this holiday season, because I was sick on Christmas and it was the worst, guys. Our well wishes and best to all of you guys that you get through the sickness. Best of blessings to everybody. Happy New Year's Eve to everybody. And thank you guys so much for joining into my crazy big black family, guys. And if you guys just now tuned in and you don't know who you are, we're my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. Welcome to our channel. Happy holiday seasons to everybody. Best wishes on a holiday season to you guys for this upcoming holiday today, New Year's Eve, guys. And again, it is Tuesday morning. It's about 4:30 Eastern Standard Time AM, guys. It's a little early, but I figure I'll be up early since I'm always up. I figure I'll be the first to wish you guys an amazing, happy 2025, guys. This year is the best. We got a lot of things in store for you guys for 2025, guys. Please stay tuned. It's going to be an amazing year for us this year. It's going out pretty good, and it's going to come in even better for us, guys. So hold on tight. We got a lot of surprises for you guys in 2025. Thanks, guys, so much for tuning into my crazy big black family. We appreciate you guys for tuning into my crazy big black family, and bless all of you from my crazy big black family to you and yours on this upcoming holiday season and this 2025 year, guys. Well wishes. And for all the kids returning back to school, be safe, be well. Have an amazing 2025 rest of your school year, guys. For the graduates who will be graduating soon, congratulations to all of you guys who went through college, who did your 4 years, and is about to achieve your degree. Blessings, well wishes, and good job to everybody. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And I want to once again say happy holidays from my crazy big black family to you guys. And have an amazing day today. Thanks for watching my video. And if you're new and you don't forget, and you do forget, please don't. Please hit the like and subscribe to this video. Love you guys.